How to share your profile QR code on Telegram. What's up everyone, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily share your Telegram's QR code so that other people can add you as a contact on Telegram. Let's get started. First of all, you will need to open your Telegram app, and once it is open, you can just tap on these three lines at the top left corner. From here you can just tap on this settings menu. And now once you are inside your settings, you will see this QR icon at the top of your screen. Just tap on it. And here you will see your QR code timer, but you have to note that this specific QR code will only be valid for 5 minutes. So if you have been opening this for more than 5 minutes, or if you're sending this for, let's say, if this has less than 30 seconds left, then that person will not be able to add you as a friend. It will be you will have to generate a new QR code. So this QR code will no longer be valid. So make sure that you share this in time and they add you as a friend on time as well. And on the bottom of your screen, you can see the share QR code option. So you can just tap on it. And now you can choose where you want to share your contacts. So just choose the contact that you want to share. So you can choose Messenger, Instagram, or whatever you have available on your device, and they can add you from there. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.